Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the voice settings on your Discord app. So like how you can make your voice sound better, I guess. So select your profile here and scroll down until you find voice under app settings. Go to voice activity, and here's where you can adjust the sensitivity of the input. I just enabled the sensitivity one. And you can also adjust the volume output of like an audio. I usually have it on 100%. You can also adjust the soundboard volume here as well. You can also enable noise suppression or not. I like to not enable noise suppression on my phone because the mic isn't as good as the one on like my PC. For instance, if I turned off the noise suppression on my PC, it's going to detect a lot of sounds, but I usually just enable noise suppression on my PC and not on my phone, so I usually press none. But you can enable it by selecting the crisp one. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.